It's, I don't know what time it is, but it's the middle of the night and someone's letting off fireworks outside. Hopefully I'll catch one. Yeah, middle of the night. There's no... There you go, listen. So that's the shit going off, man. There's been about 5 or 6 of these motherfuckers. No, more than that, more like 7 or 8. No celebrations this time of year, shit. And these motherfuckers are letting off fireworks in the middle of the fucking night. Yeah, I'm just gonna find out what time it is. 1 second. Two o'clock in the morning. I don't know if you can see. Okay, it's a bit of light. Yeah, 2 o'clock in the morning. Motherfuckers are letting off fireworks and shit. This is bullshit, man. That they do shit like this. Might catch another one. They're letting it off very close from here anyway. But yeah, motherfucking shit woke me up, man. Fucking bullshit, man. You see, I bet it stopped now because they seen me turn my light on. And this bullshit was just to wake me up. That's probably all this shit is. See if these motherfuckers do anything else. So this has been going on for about 5, 6 minutes. They let off like 8 or 9 of these bastards. Middle of the fucking night. Not only that. Oh no, it's not raining. I know rain was forecast tonight. But yeah, man. Fucking bitches. No, it doesn't look like they're gonna do any more. Probably, like, seen the light come on in my window and shit. Fucking faggots. Alright. Thought I'd capture that.